the challenge. Alright. Can you clear the way out of the cameras, please, guys? Alright, drivers ready, cameras ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Alright, good start to the big stuff on the car. Off in the lane. Two-wheel drive. There it is. There he goes. And he smashes his way over the finish line. This King Crunch Retro is real strong. He was out here beating sport bike trucks with it at the last event, so.
It's a very, very capable truck. Going up against a very classic Kyosho double air. All original Nissan body. Got the original chrome wheels. This was a flashy truck back in the day, I tell you what. We'd like to see what's still around. Here it comes. All right. With the Kyosho double dare versus the modern, well, classic retro blockbuster King Crunch. Cameras ready? Drivers ready? And watch the light. All right. Good strong start with the double dare. King Crunch getting a little off course. And he missed the turn mud. But he's lost, so he can still make this contention. There you go. Pretty good there. King Crunch is having some handling problems, it looks like, and double there, right in home. Oh, good one there. All right.
Alright, we're really opening her up this time.
Alright, this is land speed record holding little monster. This is fast and tough Bigfoot Ford. Cameras ready? Drivers ready? And we'll watch the light. Alright. That's a classic retro battle here. Look at that thing go. What is that, a 55 turn? Yeah. And Bigfoot Ford, victory ever for retro win. Moving to the second round. Yeah, this is a really, really nice EXT1. You don't see many of those these days. All right, a couple of Tamayas. Old school battle right here. All right, cameras ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. And, well, almost just hung up. TXT 1 time anything wrong. There we go. Oh, can we keep the farm over here? Oh man, watch out. And the block comes back. Right, flips over the flip top. Jaden stays in it for the time being. Drivers on the line. Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Oh, nice wheel save for the double wheel. Remember, it's a little bit of edge. Oh, people took the log over here. And Norman, same thing going home. Oh, nice roll over finish. Double roll. Very cool. All right. Sam, bring it to the finals. All right. Trucks lined up. Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch Oh, tumble to the blockbuster. Big foot forward, guys. Keep moving. Always moving with the strong. Big foot forward. Senior finals. Another final round for Kyle. All right, final round. We've got No Name versus Kyle. Big foot four. Sam versus Kyle. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch for the light. We need to start with both trucks. Oh, Bigfoot's crossed up in the buses. Sam's got the commanding lead. Bigfoot misses the ramp. These Sam's will bring it on. And Sam will go bring it on. Good job, Sam. Nutty, bring it home. Retro bracket winner.
All right, Sam. This was the very first bracket of retro racing with Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. Took it home. So why don't you tell us a little bit about this kit, what truck it is, and what you've done to it?
Sure. So I haven't had a quad since I was a little bit younger. So I picked up a couple axles, kind of whipped up a custom chassis, sort of almost like a regulator inspired type of thing. And yeah, it was a fall project, just fun to do, and I'm just happy you have a retro class, and definitely happy to take home a win. It's pretty cool. It was super fun to drive. Awesome.
All right, cool. It's good to have you out here with this new truck. Fun new class for us out here on Colorado Monster Truck Challenge. So hopefully we'll see you out here on another round with another win.
Thanks, Troy.
All right, good job.
Is this a free-for-all, points for fun? What do you mean?
It's a racing bracket.
Oh, it's a bracket? I just seen all the trucks out there as one. Oh, so we're actually doing this. All right. Yeah.
Do it right.
So the first race, we have Darren and Cage and Kellen with Little Sun. Once again, Darren with Cage and Kellen with Little Sun. No stage.
What's the track, Troy?
Drivers ready. Sorry, I couldn't see him. I'm oh, okay. All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. We're going green. 124 style. Even with the little trucks there?
Yeah. They should break that one.
Here, let me hop out there. Or no, I need the computer. All right, so that means Kellen and Little Sun is moving on to the next round.
Base of the carpet.
All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. We're about to go racing. Little trucks, big action coming at you. Lightly. Wild hair. Doing his lap. I think you guys see a crash over here in front of me. Wild hair, take it away. Mike and Gunslinger, Mark with Blue Dome, staging, getting ready to go racing Chicago style.
Mark's got a sub driver.
Mark got a sub driver. All right, are the drivers driving ready? All right, watch the light. We're about to go racing. Oh, Gunslinger taking the win with some two-wheel style. All right, are we all staged up, ready to rip? Yes? You want to put those wheels on that carpet? There you go. All right, drivers ready, watch the light. We're going racing 124 style action coming at you. Little trucks, lots of, oh, missed the cars, you might have some offsetting penalties. I think the white truck won. But this one. Richard. Good to see Richard moving on out here. It's been a tough day of racing for out of the Richard camp. I can hear the diecast on this one. Looks good though. drivers ready? Ready. Watch the light. 124 scale action. Son of a dude. Alright, well, we got all set camera, but son of a digger, moving on to the next round. Hey, you're staged a little deep over there, Heartsock. Jeez, dude. Alright, we'll take that. Alright, drivers ready, watch the light. No trucks, big jumps. Gunslinger. USA some wholesome crushing, but Gunslinger taking it to the finals. That means we have Kellen with Little Son and Mike with Gunslinger. So Little Son and Big Son makes sense now that I see this. Mike, you know it's just Slinger now, right? Due to Fellows Entertainment's rule?
This is before they took it over, so.
Oh, nice.
Say some choice words.
I like the 2000s Gunslinger. Alright, driver's ready, the camera's ready, watch the light. Oh, the wild hair, a little too juicy, son of a digger, waving at him, giving him a little love. Oh, you should have done it, rerun him. You had one. Those are cool little machines, but anyway, watch the light. We're gonna see what it can do in this round.
Oh, sorry, reset.
Is that false start?
Yeah, false start. My bad. Okay.
And
Re-rack it. Okay.
come on, son of a digger. Let that
Sorry,
wild
guys.
hair know what's up.
I got excited. They're so cute.
Sure, give it all the power it has off the line. Alright, driver's ready, watch the light. Big action, little trucks. Oh, too tired. Boom, son of a digger taking the win. Moving to the finals. Gunslinger going for the red lane, son of a digger going for the blue lane. Old and modern, we'll see what it takes. Driver's ready. Alright, watch the light. We're going racing for the big win with the little trucks. Oh, son of a digger! Taking it at the buzzer. Alright, come out here, scrape up the jump, get a little interview and some photos, stance those trucks together, make them look.
All right, Kellen, you came out here for another mini class win here. Looks like a brand new truck that you built over the week. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it and how you got it done?
Sure. Yeah, it's got the Fury Tech Rampart chassis, based on a FMS racing. What's it called?
I think it's
FCX 24. So yeah, just got the toy body on it to match the big one. So.
All right, man, we did a really good job out there today. Took out Mike in the final round with no gunslinger, and we're going to see you out there in the next round, man.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Freestyle.